Just gonna give you a little update of kind of the things we're doing and what we're up to the past couple weeks. We live on 5 acres that can kind of feel like we live on 2 acres. So many of the acres are kind of what you see behind me. It's brush and it's overgrown and it's not super usable for what we want to use it for. So what we've been doing is we've been spending the last month, kind of told Caleb one of the things we're gonna do is every moment I get, a little obsessive with it. As soon as I get home until it's dark, we just go around, rain or shine, and we cut branches. So we're cutting every branch on every tree between 10 and 12 feet off the ground. Kind of spacing out the trees so there's lots of room, kind of what you can see behind me. And then we're gonna let the sheep go through and eat all the underbrush and kind of clean it out, which gives us access to all the dead fallen stuff that we're gonna take out, burn, put it in the stove. And then the plan is for the fall and in the winter to put hay bales all throughout here. Probably about 20 hay bales along this area. Winter the horses in there because we don't rake up the poo. We just kind of spread the horse manure around as it's being dropped. That they have built up a little layer of soil already, and we've got grass growing in our parking lot where it would used to just be gravel. So we're hopeful that they'll just do the same thing down there. We put them in here a week ago and I thought this would take quite a while, and they are just motoring through it.
Is it a maybe though? It's got so much grip.
So it's kind of hard to really capture what behind me is like because you didn't see what it was like before. Before you couldn't even walk down here. This was stuff over your head. You couldn't even walk through it. And within 2 weeks, the sheep have gone through, they've eaten everything, and they've exposed the bare ground. You can see there's nothing there, there's some stuff popping up, but just, it's insane the amount of work they've done very, very quickly. I'll give you a quick little look and kind of show you what they're working on right now. And then kind of show you the line of how distinct it is. So this is where the sheep have been. And this is where they have yet to go. So this is what it looked like before. It's kind of just full, overflowing. It looks kind of like a jungle. You guys working hard or hardly working? I know that's a bad joke.